These mosquitoes, y'all, is crazy. These mosquitoes is crazy. So all jokes aside, I am so happy that it's actually like 10 degrees less than it has been. And so that's really great because I for real need to get into this garden and get this garden cleaned up. It looks a hot mess inside of here. We've just had so much rain lately and things are kind of wild and crazy. Some things are dead or dying and needs to be pulled out. And so that is what I'm going to be working on today. I'm so happy when I look behind me and see those wood chips, y'all. Y'all, we have some exciting news because we have our wood chips. It smells so good over here. So these are, the majority of this is cedar, and we have a small portion here that is oak. Big truck came over here on this plastic right here and it survived. It just has one nick, and so that makes me happy. That lets me know that it's tough, it can withstand a lot, and so that gives me some confidence for sure. The garden expansion, and it is happening. That's enough excitement to get me into this garden to clean things up. I see lots of aphids on the zucchini plant, and I'm in between leaving them there as a trap plant or getting rid of them. I don't really know what I should do. We don't actually eat okra, but I was gonna try it, you know, if it grew. And so the aphids are insane on that plant. It's time to take care of the things in the garden, and I'm trying to do it as fast as possible because, like I said, these mosquitoes though. I give you a look at the garden. I want to show you what I got done yesterday along with Faye Family Homestead. She came over and brought her son, and they were such a huge help. We got to assemble a lot of boxes. We didn't put them all together, all the way together yet, but we spent about 4 hours with 4 of us, and this is what we got done. So we completed 6 panels altogether, which would be the front and the back of 3 beds. Y'all, look how beautiful. First of all, before I show you all the things that's wrong in here, look how beautiful this archway is. I just wanted to take time to just appreciate the beauty that is going on in here. It's so green and it's so beautiful, and it's exactly what I envisioned. Like, it's such a blessing to look over and just to see the lush green archway, like, so filled in. That is just so exciting. So this is our first experience with the tomato longhorn. These things look so cool. It's crazy. I don't typically think bugs look really cool, but this one does. I still don't want to touch it, so the kids came to the rescue. So they were all hanging on really tightly, but this one would not let go. It makes my heart so happy to see that after all the disease that these tomatoes have endured, they are still producing fruit. This one looks so amazing, and look what happened. Something ate it, and I don't know what. Here I'm using some stockings that were laying around. I'm going to make some hammocks for our melons. Look at this beautiful green pepper. I was so happy to see it after we lost our last one. This cucamelon plant has exploded. And look, little baby cucamelons. They are so cute. Gonna go ahead and get these planted. The ones that did not germinate are the little potato. The lemon cucumber also did not germinate, and I was really looking forward to that. Somebody suggested that one, and I wanted to taste it so bad. Planting new little sproutlings, man, that'll give you life. Twist. is it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. That is it for today. I feel so much better about the garden now that I have came in here and done some maintenance. Everything is looking in its place, nice and tidy, which makes me so happy. I will see you guys next time.